Now, I'm actually sitting on one of the busiest stands on the show, but it certainly is also the brightest stand on the show. And I'm with Simon Gumbrell, who's the area manager of SGL Lighting. And certainly, we've been talking earlier, Simon, about the fact that lighting has probably been the thing that has revolutionised pitch conditioning over the last 20 years. And, well, it's a statement. Would you agree with that?
Absolutely. It's become a necessity. It's not a luxury item anymore. Yeah. Standard expectations of playing surfaces have increased dramatically. Yeah. And the fact that we go into dormancy, the playing surfaces go into dormancy, we play through the winter periods. Light needs to be applied to give the energy into the plant.
Yeah. And I'm staggered actually, because I've just been talking to you there. It's not just about the light that goes onto the pitches. It's the information that you can get through being tied up with SGL that gets fed back to you, and it gets fed back to the head groundsman at the stadium, and it means you can get optimum conditions all the time.
Yeah, we try very hard on the database. We take analysis of the playing surfaces so that we can actually give you guidance on the amount of light that you require. We don't want an inefficiency of use. No. Don't put 24 hours of light on if you only require 15. Yeah. So we try to be as environmentally friendly and create the best playing surfaces.
Now, touching the fact that it has been one of the things that's made a huge difference. Part of that was because the quality of the new stadia, the high-sided total bowls, meant that there wasn't as much light getting on. So was that how it started in the first instance?
Yeah, because the growing environment is bad enough anyway within the winter months, but if you build a stadium around it, there's very little light getting into a stadium, so you'll get no recovery on the playing surfaces.
Yeah. Now the genius behind it all is Dutch, and it was some of the Dutch stadia where this started out.
Yeah, the boss man, the man with the brains and the ideas, Nico van Vuren, he works within the glass houses doing red roses, a company called Portanova, and he thought, well, if I can grow indoors, why can I not create better playing surfaces also? So he then took it upon himself to try and improve playing surfaces within Holland on a small scale, which is now spread worldwide with 350 plus systems around the world.
Now, I was lucky enough to get the chance to see with Darren Baldwin the wonderful work that's been done at the Tottenham Hotspur Stadium. You guys have been heavily involved there with some revolutionary lighting rigs and work there. Are you going beyond that now? Is there more development in place that might see us go beyond what they've got at Spurs?
Yeah, well, site-specific is always something of interest to SGL to create the best playing surfaces, working with architect groups to design and manufacture some of the best systems. So Spurs was quite a unique one. It's the only one in the world, currently in the world. Yeah. We have 2 other projects coming online with that on that style.
Similar. Well, wonderful. I mean, so we're getting a suntan here, sitting in this very bright stand. So I shall leave you, Simon. Thanks very much for giving us a little bit of your time, and good luck going forward with SGL.
That's brilliant. Thank you.